Did you know even if you're browsing in the private browsing mode in Safari on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, that doesn't mean anyone else can't just necessarily open it up and see exactly the websites that you've been viewing? I'm going to show you exactly how it works, where private Safari browsing is, and how to lock it with your Face ID so no one can access it. Now open up the Safari app, again on your iPhone, iPad, or computer. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And now tap on All Tabs at the bottom right. You can see I'm just in the normal browsing, but I can switch over to private browsing by tapping on Private. And you can see here it says use your Face ID to unlock it. And just like that, it will open up the private browsing, which you can tell because it has that dark gray URL bar at the bottom. However, if I don't manually close out of these websites or tabs, they just stay open and anyone will be able to see that. I would highly recommend locking it with your Face ID. I'll show you how to do that. Let's head into the Settings app of your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Search and search for Safari. Tap on Safari at the top. Scroll down and you're looking where it says lock. Let me see. Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. If this is turned off, anybody essentially with access to your iPhone will be able to see those private browsing tabs. However, just toggle it on, and again, you'll have to use that Face ID to be able to unlock them, another layer of protection to help protect your privacy. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.